Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. We're talking about fuel induction services today and how much this can actually help your vehicle and also save fuel mileage, to be honest with you. This is a service, if done once a year or every 12 to 15,000 miles, really makes a difference. It's one of those services, once performed, you as a vehicle operator, when you get into the vehicle, will realize how much smoother the vehicle runs, idles, etc. The reason for this is to remove carbon. We get carbon buildup on the back of the intake valves, which actually absorbs fuel during the running process. There's also a second part. If you have a direct injected vehicle on this, the carbon buildup on these vehicles can cause misfires, etc. We're seeing a lot of big problems with them that can get very expensive. So regular fuel induction services will keep the carbon removed and prevent that system from happening. It also helps remove carbon out of the throttle area to keep electronic throttle bodies working properly, etc. A great service to get done, keeps components in good working order, will actually keep your vehicle in great running order and save you money in the long run. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, watch for the Automan, Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.